Hey guys, it's Amber, also known as Pretty Amor, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and Depop. Today we have a boutique by the box. I ordered two, so I'm not sure which one this is yet. So let's see. Oh, it is. I can lift this up. It's full of kid shoes. Okay, so. This box, I believe, was on sale. I'll put the price right here, but it is all kids' shoes that should be customer returns, but pretty much new with tags, maybe new without tags, but in plastic it kind of looks like. So yeah, let's get started. So we have these cute little Puma slides. It looks like they were returned, but it doesn't seem like they have any wear on them. They do still have a tag right here, and back here is a little like shelf hanger thing. Some cute reef sandals. They have the tag as well, and same with the shelf hanger. You have these little butterfly sandals. If you can, yeah, there we go. That's what the butterfly looks like. I can't tell what the brand is. Oh, Gymboree. We have some Carter's little shark sandals. Some reef sandals. That sucks they're giving me sandals, but it's okay. There are warm places still, even though it's going to be cold everywhere else. Beverly Hills Polo Club sandals. Oshkosh sandals. Some more reef sandals, but a different color. Totes, kind of like Croc, almost like shoes. And we have our first pair of bigger shoes. They're by Speedo. And then that is all of the ones that are just in plastic, and then these are in their new boxes. Some Polo Ralph Lauren. Those are super cute. Tiny little New Balance shoes. Beverly Hills Polo Club sandals, little flowers. Aerosoles boots. And let's see if this other box is the same pair of boots. Oh no, they're different, but Aerosoles is the brand as well. And that is it. This was not a good assortment of brands for me, in my opinion. I'll be lucky if I make back my money. Probably not gonna make much profit off of these shoes. The other boutique by the box that I got that was kid shoes actually performed pretty well. They were more expensive though than these. That retail, I believe that price for those boxes was $13.33 for each pair. And these are a lot less. I'll put right here what they are, but I believe to be around $5. So maybe I will break even, I hope. On the description, they said that it was a little bit more, I don't know, like, I don't think it was these brands. If they were, then I don't know what I was thinking that day. I mean, I know they were on sale, but I believe I was hoping for better brands like I got last time, like Nike, Adidas, New Balance, even though I got one pair. There were Sorel, just like a bunch of shoes that kids wear. And I know kids wear these shoes, but they're already pretty cheap in my opinion. So I'm not sure if there's a good market to resell them, but stay tuned and we will see. Bye.